Welcome to My Property Portal, where property management meets simplicity and efficiency. In today's video, we will discuss a step-by-step guide to writing a property management agreement. Property management agreements are the cornerstone of smooth property operations in Canada. They define responsibilities and ensure clarity between landlords and property managers. A property management agreement is a legal partnership between a property owner and a management company. It clearly defines roles and responsibilities, ensuring smooth operations and protecting both parties' interests. For landlords, it ensures professional oversight, protecting their investments. For property managers, it provides a structured framework to operate effectively while guaranteeing fair compensation and reducing misunderstandings. Different properties require tailored agreements. Whether it's managing single-family homes, commercial spaces, or short-term rentals, each agreement is customized to address specific needs and goals. Every agreement should include essential components like the scope of services, fee structures, and dispute resolution terms. These elements provide a clear operational roadmap, ensuring nothing is left to chance. Essential elements include defining the responsibilities of property managers like rent collection, tenant relations, and financial reporting. They also outline the property owner's obligations, such as maintaining insurance and timely expense payments. Key clauses are the backbone of any agreement. These include termination notice periods, exclusivity terms, and liability protections. They ensure clarity, minimize disputes, and provide legal safeguards for both parties. A well-structured agreement clarifies roles, reduces disputes, and aligns operations with Canadian laws. It fosters trust and ensures financial transparency for seamless property management. Choosing the right agreement depends on your property type, location, and management needs. Tailored agreements create a foundation for efficiency and long-term success. At My Property Portal, we simplify property management agreements. With our tools and expertise, you can create contracts that protect your assets and enhance operations. Visit us today to learn more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Join our network on LinkedIn for industry insights and professional discussions. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for exciting content and community engagement. Thank you for watching. My Property Portal, all-in-one property management software.